detective way update where I said them supposed to step down now and start to interrogate, so then can hear from the people them what happened and stop search now and go interrogate the people them. This is more than enough evidence them get.
Manchester people
right?
must search two people like community, so they must search in the comments, and they must search.
There's a trick with the people them from the community now, which we can tell you. A lot of persons come on.
1 minute, please.
1 minute, ma'am. A lot of persons come on the on the platform and North Coast platform from the community, and then talk about bag of things what they know, and we listen to them. You think they not come back on no more platform again? The people in the community look to me, they have a fear over certain things.
1 minute, please.
And I'm going to let you talk, Mama.
I just something I say. When you read the comment section.
No, Sonny, I read it. Millicent.
Jesus is coming. Them a listen and people are pick out and are sent to them. Then say police are listen. We don't care. Them supposed to listen.
Well,
read what I say. We are to just go and wait, but them not. Them a work.
The police, them listen. That's our detective work, Mama. Detective work like not even the police then can't override the detective, and that is the problem. We don't understand. The police then can't go over the detective get that in that's private investigation. But
yeah, that's why me saying I'm telling you because alright, this a 3 week and how much do you know? About 2 days or 3 days. I'm on it from the first day. I tell you me know say police them a watch this thing here and them a get more out of we than when them get out of people. Because you see at first, remember the police them did us a chase it as JAYDEN Mr. Ray. Then them got the yard go search the whole place with drone, dog and all type of thing. You see me? After that now, a Perth road them go and search. Remember say we get all of that out of the family.
And
yes, Sonny, but where is it going? I understand what you're saying. We are doing not much. I know this platform, whatever people are doing on social media is good. Nothing say talk against what I want because means with it. But when me I try for say the public I do them work. Most of what we say on social media can't go to court. It can only help police if them can pick none out of it for arrest and stuff like that. It can't go to court. Nothing where we are doing say on the social media platform can go in a court. None of it. It can only help the police to see if them can find somebody for arrest or whatever. Yeah, them a search. Yeah, them a this, them a that. What is coming out of these searches? What come out of it?
Surprise.
Let me tell you something what them a look for. Them a look for solid evidence. That's them can say yes. Them a look for solid
You're
evidence.
right.
Remember, I said, what we are going to find out, heard about evidence. So all them a search for, something solid to say, all right then, we find something to say, yes, this is going to lead you to that, and this is going to lead you to that. Or for them,
so right.
For them to summarize, say, all right then, we are going to make one of the family them suspect or person of interest in the
1 minute, Sonny. TikTok update. We not talk to people when I have no knowledge, wisdom, or understanding. My knowledge come from God, and we not talk no foolish over here. Yeah. So if you don't understand when me talk, you just keep quiet because people come from social media come embarrass themselves all the while. People, if you can't contribute, why make you wake up negative out on the bed every day? Why?
Don't put the comments update.
No, sometimes you have to tell them wake up out of them bed negative every day.
What you need to understand update, we have been on the platform every day for weeks now. Look here, some of these people are the auntie, the cousin, and them same one are coming at the comment.
And them friend, and them close friend.
Them just wake up negative every day out of them.
I'm telling you, say yesterday I put somebody in a box. I remember telling everybody else out of the box. I still hear the people in the box. I don't know what them do about music I play in the background. And I go out with some foolishness. That's to show you how the people in my work.
What you should do, you see the persons that way you take up in your box, them not willing to talk or say nothing in the contribution thing.
Yeah. Come to listen and carry it back.
We have to mute and you call them name and make them say what they have to say because sometimes we don't know who are they.
Right.
Because
And
I
I come
have
back
a
and
tire
back to
board
the
down
family.
there, so never send nothing from me command. Marjorie up there so too. You have to make
Tap
use
up the
them up.
screen, guys. Tap up the screen, guys,
Them
please.
say something. Tire boy, you want to say something? Any contribution from you? Or Marjorie?
Yeah, one
No,
thing
I
I
was
say, you know,
saying they could
I
check the
mean,
blue
nothing come
house.
Good
on.
morning.
That's what I was
Morning.
saying.
Them
I'm
really
all the way from
unable, them
Chennai.
really
Hold on,
unable
Jeremy.
come
Hold
on
on, hold
from
on,
fucking
Jeremy.
that state.
Hold
Hold
on,
on,
Jeremy. Jeremy and hold on. Like tire boy.
why?
No, I was saying they need to check the blue house. But the little guy say in go somewhere in the blue house.
Oh, he told us there's
I'm
a
all the way
house
from Chilani, near to Christiana.
investigating at a blue house. There's a area. It's a community that is called Blue House and not a house. So
Come here.
only the
Yeah,
15-year-old
man.
could clear that. Marjorie, you need to volunteer. Can you say something? Open your mic.
Oh, okay.
Listen me now, you see the
Good morning.
15-year-old knows nobody down the blue house. Him know that.
Kind of horse up.
Him know anybody there.
Kind of horse. We kind of horse up. Now I'm horse right now. What I'm saying, it could be our child and we don't care who want to come on and speak negative. All you have to do is just block those person because them don't have no heart. Because it's come like them don't have no child. We know that for so long a child is missing and then it's like it's not going
They might not have
anywhere.
a child, but they're going to have little brother, little sister, little niece, little nephew.
Exactly.
And Sonny, this is not about even just Jayden, you know. It's about youths in Jamaica where being going missing. And that it's
Exactly.
Jayden, but it's just a fight cause make people to say we're against youths being missing and being taken. And so we are stand up to this one now for sure. Say no more.
Yes,
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Update. That is what me start this thing for, and that's why you see every day when we do this, me kinda show me appreciation to people like you because me just start. Me never know say me not have so much people on the board because me start from the 7-year-old girl
Yeah.
the school and the man who are and grandpa. From this I start. That a long before Jayden, you know. And then the 13-year-old with the dep on PR case, the 14-year-old with Mr. with her baby. I'm a dep on it for about 2 days, then she go home back with her baby. You see me? So, I'm telling you something. You see, if we can bring one strong group, we can come together and just say positiveness, we are going to fight for it, especially the unspoken. The people them with them, you know, the voice them we are voiceless, and the voiceless them are the kids them, and too much of them are going to miss some people.
Oh God, man.
They see if
So
we,
9-day talk, when the follow me says 9-day talk and they finish.
yeah, if we can
And
get
that's where
one
I'm from.
affiliation, brother, we can. You see me? When the youth them missing, we not left for a fight, brother, until something come up.
Right.
Stop,
That's
bro.
true.
You see me? This I go stop. Cause evil people, alright, you see the man them, even if you say I want to set a wicked people where I pray upon picnic. Even them mind I go think twice because them I go say, you know, so we have one set of people who now go give up. Even if one father, I go think about the money so one little girl. We are gonna be the voice. If listen, so the little girl, them the little boy, them out there, see if people are touching you, them not for touching you. Don't be afraid. If you not listen,
Yeah.
you not get to one away on the life or something like that. More want for have where people can with the youth them who
Yeah.
go
Yeah.
through certain things down and get. But people are treating no bother to no home and can be confidential. You wanna first.
Yes.
I want to help get to the right place. If you don't want to live out of the house and we try to find somewhere to put on more than missing or you know or something like that we want for have.
Sonny, I live here in the UK, right? You see if a little child go missing, by 3 day time, you see the picture with them a walk anywhere them there and them a prick people mind to say the person was last seen here wearing this jacket. The police put it out, investigator then put it out. The child was last seen there, blah blah blah, wearing that. Sometimes them not done away, you know, sometimes them go about them business, you know. But when me I try to say Jamaican, we are Jamaican, me I beg you no please, me I implore you know. Some buy one little camera put on the house. So bad enough to know say that because you have some camera where look like shoes, some look like toothbrush, some look like nobody know.
Yeah, man, I true.
Buy camera buy camera for your own safety and people to and put it on the phone. Not even a picnic on the house now to know so you have a camera. Because camera come now so discreet. things too drastic out there now for not have one local cameraman. Over here, say everybody have on them look ring doorbell pan them door, you know. But put one little camera upon the house, buy it, go up on Amazon or Shein or Team one me love buy. Invest in the protection and safety.
I'm telling you something. That's why we do on the live, you know. Hold on, I make you go ahead, Miss Angel. That's why we ask for the support, you know. Because I'm telling you something. See, you won't like me say anything, I take up and put it down, you know. You see me? And when I want to do, I have to go move around. And I have to look at that, and I have to look at her. And now what do I do it? I use the whole heap of my money and move around and move around and move around and move around. You see me? And if it ever take for me, I have to do that again, it kind of stress me out because I use money I have to use and I look at money when I work. You see me? But if it ever stress me out to do that, to organize this for the youth, them, it ever happen. Because we still don't really get the support on TikTok. You see me? And we don't really like that from the people them who only support, only want the youth them in Jamaica for us. Feel like I want way to get support on TikTok. Come cause bad word. Tell people mother out underneath them, the mother stay. Walk on them morals and hold on themselves and make themselves look worse with your brother. We don't have to stop doing it. Because we don't have other people, other youth in Jamaica want build a thing, you know, want build something, brother, we are going to stand up in the country, stand up for not you have people out there suffering, you know. You see me? You have people out there. You know the amount of time I see some people in our lava town and I say, Jaja. You know all them youth there. More enough time, alright. I show you something when I see. One next thing when I see. You see the people who are losing. You know the amount of time I see some youth where I know say them the only thing they want I just go into the rehab and them we get back to our state.
Yeah.
People them low them until them turn full blown madman. You see me I say? So think the organization what me want to build. You know, if me not get the support, me can see one youth and say, alright then here what? Me gonna make a call and call the people them and the people them come into the youth there. Me know one youth where you know when I get disadvantage, me can say, alright then, me gonna make the right link, the right authorities and get the youth in. Cause no enough youth you know we come to me more time and me and them sit down and reason and me say, Judge God. But yes sir, me not have the resource to help them. You see me I say, I'm sorry say people not support ventures like them the brother, especially over the media. I don't need to do it. Stop supporting.
People do support you know, Sonny, but yeah, sometimes you have some people come from the media and make it so bad. So once you have a genuine platform and people to say yeah, people do support. It might not add up in at the end, but
me moving because me I tell you me I got Mandeville the 31st and you know. And me I forgot take out of my pocket for reach a Mandeville. I send catching me I left from. And me can tell you this. Watch and see. By the 31st, by 8 o'clock the latest, if you don't see me there live on Mandeville and I get the thing active to make sure that this thing is up and running. I could have do it in a whole harbor. But why me not do it in a whole harbor? I want to do it on the ground. Right at JAYDEN ground. And that's what me want to go. And go rile up the support and get some placard and me and the people.
I'm friend I go look and see how to the fan.
Behind you. Sonny Mali there behind you. You know that. If I day them there behind you, boss.
Yeah man, the 31st man, I want as much people.
The 30th is my birthday, so I go there in a Mandeville area, that's the 31.
Yes, mommy. I want as much people joining. Kimmy them I go there town, Kimmy I go there Kingston. Because you know say me and Kimmy at the town. People say me for the Portmore or all over, but no, me I got Manchester, Mandeville, me I go brother. You see me? I'm one of the people them for sure to come out on the block, I want to come out and yo, it's a peaceful, we not go block the road and them things but just
peaceful,
like
yeah.
You see things like this, I go draw out the authorities even more. You see me I say? This is for the youth, them and brother JAYDEN a baby, my 12-year-old, if we sit down and left
baby that brother, baby.
You know me, I want the people them from what there. I realize that on earthquake leak Jamaica yesterday.
Yeah, me see it on the news.
I want them.
A lot of people don't feel it, but me feel it. Me see it on the internet.
Okay, mommy. I tell you.
That's what I heard, but I sort of didn't really hear nothing about it. But now that you're talking now,
Miss Marjorie.
I first hear about it to come in a feel it. I first hear about it.
From what there, hear me, I want them. I tell you this.
no, I am not in Jamaica right now. I'm in Cayman right now.
Sonny, you need to make a post behind you. You need to make a post that's every day when you come out, people see it. If them even click on a pass through, them see what going on.
But you are always Jayden. Me always see, you know with Jayden.
No, a post with what you do. A post with them.
Yeah, me know we have a posters. We have posters with it.
Yeah, you need to put it out.
But me I tell you say, you see through the more I search up with Jayden and the more I find picture of the little youth, it just touch me heart as a father. And I'm a 12-year-old, mama daughter same age. So the more I see picture with him, I say, no, sir, this a little boy, I say, bright, him come like my little niece. I be a trophy, and medals.
Honey, the lady when named Marjorie up at top there, so she had tried to say something a long time. But every time she says something, somebody says something. So she
yeah, me make sure go ahead, man. Go ahead, Miss Marjorie.
No, I was talking about the earthquake. Said somebody said that to me. Said if I know that earthquake, she can I said no. But now that I hear you talking, now I confirm it more. That what will happen.
Why me I reach that, Miss Marjorie?
Yeah, man, I read that, man. Earthquake, Nick is still free, but it
Alright, that's one other thing. You see, from the other day, from the other day, me dip on this and me I tell them, say, you see the Bible? No, if you're looking at the Bible, most the children them got. You know, I'm most of the youth them. The Bible suffer the little children to come unto me. You know, the little children. So you see, if the country look how much brother, look how much bloodshed in go on in the country, look how people them move away from going to Sunday school, Christianity to believe in a gathering of their man. That's the truth. You see, me girl them believe in a fastness, prostitution and what business. That's the truth. I'm not don't play nobody, but it's just the truth. See, you see the country. Alright, me I throw on another thing. You see the lifestyle where them try bring you into Jamaica, they skip the TikTok page, you can see another one of them people. We not even have to call them name. If I know the girl them try transfer for big boy, the boy them try for big girls. So right, brother. You see with all of that go on and then the youth them come and missing. When I make God, I take time. I hate Jamaica. And that's the truth me I'm telling you. Yo, Jamaica, the country where in the Caribbean where the most terrible thing come off of we are here time, the most hurricanes, them not liquid. One of the
we are God bless. We are God bless.
Earthquake shit, you know, mash you up and not doing nothing. Brother,
exactly.
Remember
Jamaica is a God bless country. Jamaica is a God bless
Africa look up to Jamaica, brother. Almost the whole Africa look up to Jamaica, you know.
Well, I know the earthquake was shake yesterday, you know. And mostly Mandeville people and down the side of it, you know. So God breathe with them. Me I watch one live video where the